If you've ever been building a survey in SurveyMonkey and realized you added an extra page break by mistake, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove a page break in SurveyMonkey quickly and correctly. This is a simple fix, but if you don't know where the option is, it can feel a little confusing at first. So in the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the full process step by step. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. That way, you'll never miss the next guide. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go to SurveyMonkey in your browser. Once you're on the SurveyMonkey homepage, sign into your account if you haven't already. You need to be inside the account where your survey is saved, because this change has to be made directly in the survey editor. Next, click on the survey you want to edit. If you have more than one survey, make sure you open the correct one so you don't accidentally change the wrong project. Once the survey opens, you'll want to navigate to the page that contains the page break you want to remove. This is important because page breaks are tied to specific sections of the survey, so you need to be in the right spot before making changes. Now look for the More Actions menu. This is where SurveyMonkey keeps several editing options for the current page. Click on More Actions to open the available options. Once the menu appears, you should see the option to delete the page. Go ahead and click on Delete Page. At this point, SurveyMonkey will give you a choice about what to do with the questions on that page. This is the most important part of the process, because deleting a page can also affect the questions that were placed on it. You'll want to choose Move Questions to the page above. This keeps your survey content intact while removing the unnecessary page break. After selecting that option, click Delete to confirm the change. SurveyMonkey will then remove the page break and move the questions up to the previous page, so your survey flows as one continuous section instead of being split by the extra break. Once that's done, take a quick moment to review your survey. Make sure the page break is gone and that the questions now appear in the right order. This quick check helps you avoid layout issues and make sure your survey still looks clean and professional before you send it out. And that's it. You've successfully removed a page break in SurveyMonkey. As you can see, it only takes a few clicks once you know where to find the right options. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.